1952. The 83rd Texas State Legislative Session is underway, and important issues impacting the future of nursing practices are being heard. Senate Bill 406 represents a collaborative effort among nursing and medical associations in Texas. Senate Bill 406 is important because it gives greater autonomy to nurse practitioners by increasing their script authority.
Let us introduce you to Senate Bill 406 and the issues that it addresses for nurse practitioners. We recommend that you read the bill for yourself before you contact a legislator. It's important that you have a full understanding of the bill as you lobby for it. You can find the bill by going to the Texas Legislature online website provided here. Search for SB 406. The bill was authored by Senator Jane Nelson, the longest-serving chairman of the Health and Human Services Committee. It's important to be familiar with the author of any bill that you intend to advocate for. This research gives you valuable insight to the effort the author took to ensure all stakeholders were represented fairly in the bill. A few key aspects of the bill will be reviewed. First, the bill eliminates the restrictive site-based supervision requirements that nurse practitioners are currently limited by. If Senate Bill 406 is adopted, the physician and nurse practitioner will decide where face-to-face meetings will occur and will indicate this in their prescriptive authority agreement. The prescriptive authority agreement will be standardized with Senate Bill 406 as well. It will identify the types or categories of drugs or devices that can or cannot be prescribed, which maintains current law. What this means is that the supervising physician can no longer implement arbitrary restrictions on what the nurse practitioner can or cannot prescribe. Another key aspect of Senate Bill 406 is that it allows delegated prescriptive authority for Schedule II controlled substances in hospitals and hospice. This increases the nurse practitioner's role in these environments, which are in desperate need of providers.
Vast and beautiful, Texas is the second largest state in the nation, home to more than 26.1 million residents. Although we've made great strides over the last 2 decades, a large number of underserved communities leaves Texas falling short in comparison with other states. That's why now more than ever, the nursing community needs to come together to raise awareness and support important pieces of legislation like Senate Bill 406 that will give more autonomy to nurse practitioners in Texas.
As you can see, much of Texas is considered medically underserved. The citizens of Texas would be greatly benefited if nurse practitioners were allowed to practice to the fullest extent of their education, training, and capabilities. Now take a look at how restricted nurse practitioners in Texas are when compared to other states. The states in green, such as our neighbors in New Mexico and Arizona, allow their citizens to be served by nurse practitioners who enjoy exercising their full scope of practice. These nurse practitioners are allowed to practice to the fullest extent of their education, which is the same education that nurse practitioners in Texas have. This practice model is endorsed by the Institute of Medicine and was emphasized in their landmark report, The Future of Nursing: Leading Change, Advancing Health, in 2010.